Age is welcome back and sort of is it worth it? So today's episode we got this cool emitter right here, and basically what this is an oscillating tower fan. And for this one right here, we see it's from the brand called Lasko, and this one actually give you guys the option to connect it onto a Bluetooth app, and I'll show you guys how to use that in a second. And the way how to design this product is actually pretty cool. If you see it, give you guys a timer option and different speed level as well. And obviously, like I mentioned, this is an oscillating tower fan, so it definitely will move left and right. But this is what the product looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is what actually looks like inside. So the product is well protected and everything, but let's take it out. Alright, so once you take it out, this is what the product looks like inside. So it definitely provides you guys the bottom of the base and the actual tower fan right here. And it also provides you guys the user manual as well right here. But let's assemble everything to show you guys how to assemble it and what actually looks like first. Alright, so right here we do have the user manual. And inside right here we see they provide you guys the mounting screws. So you want to use that to actually mount it on the bottom. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like here. So let's set up the bottom of the base first. So right here we see we do have the cable you can plug in to actually activate the product. And the way how to design the bottom of the base, they actually have this little slot here to put the cable out here. So you guys want to put this underneath it right here. And you guys want to put the other side right here as well. Once you guys have the clip in, you guys have to screw it in the bottom. So when you guys put the screw in, you probably want to get like a screwdriver. So I'm actually go get one first. So the screwdriver that I'll be using is from this brand right here. And all we have to do is push it out. And then we have all our tools inside. So here are the screws that we'll put inside. So it's kind of hard for me to show you guys in a certain angle, but I'll show you guys what it actually looks like once we're done. And when I'm using this tool right here, it's actually very convenient. It's very easy to actually use it. And they also provide you guys some extra screws if you guys want to use this on the side as well, but you don't really need to use it. So if I bring it up close, this is what the bottom part looks like once you guys put it together. So the extra screw that I'm talking about is for this part right here and for this part right here if you guys want to use that extra 2 screws, but it's not really required. So I'm not going to do this test right here. But in terms of cable management, if you see we have the slot where you have to put it underneath right here and inside the slot right here. So that way the cable goes out and it won't be tangled right underneath it. So once you guys finish setting up, this is what the product looks like. So I'm actually take off the protective layer on here and we'll actually plug in the cable to show you guys how it works and what it actually looks like when you guys use it. So first I want to take off this part right here and then let's plug it in. Alright, so once you guys plug it in, we can start using it. But I'm just bringing the camera a little bit closer to give you guys a better point of view of what the screen looks like. So here is what the top part looks like. Once you guys plug it in, you can definitely press a button right here. And that will activate it. So right now we have on speed level 3. If you guys want to change that option, you have to press right here. So speed level 1, speed level 2, and speed level 3. If you guys want to turn on the oscillating option, you have to press right here. You can see how the product moves left and right. It doesn't move too far to the left and too far to the right, but it does give you guys a pretty good distance on here. So you definitely have the option to angle however you guys want to once you guys fully set it up. And also if you guys notice when we actually turn on the product on here, it is pretty quiet, especially on speed level 1. But when you guys turn it on speed level 3, it's definitely much louder. If you guys want to stop it from moving, you guys want to press it again right here. And that stops the fan from moving, you can see right here. And then if you guys want to use the timer option, you can definitely press on timer option right here. So that's 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, and that is the maximum. So the max timer option on here is 7 hours. And like I mentioned earlier, they do give you guys the option to connect it onto the app. So let's do that first to show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys use it on the app. Alright, so here is the app that you want to download. It's called Lasko Connect. So once you guys finish download the app, this is what the app looks like. So let's turn on the product and connect it. So what you're going to do is to press and hold the Bluetooth button. You can see right here, it found the device. So we're going to add it. And once you guys add it, you guys can control everything on here. So if you guys want to turn it off, that turns it off. You guys can turn it back on. You guys can control the setting on here to increase the fan or lower the fan speed level on here. So now it's on speed level 1. And now it's on speed level 3. You guys can turn on the oscillating option and also time option as well. So once we turn on the oscillating option, you guys can see how it actually works on here. So that's definitely really cool how it should give you guys that option on here, so that way you guys actually control it on an app instead of on your remote, like your normal typical fans. And another thing that I've got to mention that's on here is this part right here. If you see right here, they give you guys the option to move this part right here, so that way you can angle in different directions. Let me actually bring the camera over to show you guys what I mean. So see for this part right here, they give you guys the option to move it up and down, to move the part inside to angle in a certain direction. So if you guys want it up or down, you guys definitely have the option available for you guys right here. But this is what the product looks like from the front. When you guys turn around to the back, they actually have a handle option. Let me show you guys what I mean. So this is what the overall product looks like once you guys fully set it up in the front. I definitely love this wooden design on here that looks very nice and very natural. But when you guys turn around to the back, they have this very nice design in the back right here. So that way you guys can carry around really easily. And the way how they design it actually give you guys two different parts to use it. So one right here, and also one inside right here as well. So that's definitely really cool how they provide guys that option, so that way it's easier for you guys to carry around, no matter how you guys want to carry around. Whether you guys use it here, or you guys want to use it here, that is up to you guys. But I feel like the coolest thing about this part right here is the fact that you guys can control it on the app. Or if you guys want to control it, you guys can definitely control it manually on here as well. So that is everything that's on the bar right here. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this Oscillating tower fan, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality tower fan that gives you guys everything that's on here. Like this option right here, we actually give you guys an option to angle where you guys want the ear to come out. And also the different speed level, the timer option, the oscillating option, and also the Bluetooth app option as well. If you guys want all of that and so much more, then I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.